People claim to love the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, but do they really? Allah revealed, "Those who deny you, O Prophet, do not actually reject you. Rather, the wrongdoers deny the signs of Allah." And today, many Muslims do the same. We say we love the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, but look at our actions. We take interest-based loans riba, even though the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, cursed those involved in it. We engage in zina and haram relationships, despite clear warnings in the Quran. We call upon graves for help, even though the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, told us to pray only to Allah. We chase wealth but neglect salah. We consume haram content, listen to immoral songs, and ignore the Quran and Sunnah. We blindly follow Western fashion and culture, forgetting the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, warned against imitating others. We fight over petty issues, engage in jealousy, backbiting, and arrogance, instead of practicing humility like the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. If we truly love the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, we must prove it, not just with words, but with actions. Follow the Sunnah, avoid what he forbade, live by Islam. If you want more content that reminds you of the truth, helps you strengthen your faith, and motivates you to follow Islam correctly, then hit the subscribe button now.